observed it through the our vernier caliper, that is 75 mm. You can see that. In this specimen, another notch is made. A little bit of groove is made, that is called as a V groove. This groove is made for stress concentration. Stress concentration. Actually, in this particular experiment, we need to fix this specimen in a vertical direction, also it is called as a cantilever position. We have to fix this specimen here. You can see here, I am going to lift this pendulum. This is called as a pendulum. I am going to lift the pendulum. Just I am going to lift it. You can see this. I am going to lock it. Just I have locked a pendulum. In this pendulum, you can see a chisel is there. A chisel is there. This chisel is a flat chisel. This chisel is a flat chisel. You have to note down this chisel. This is the only chisel you need to fix it inside the pendulum. It is a dismantleable. This is a dismantleable. So when we are going to do the experiment, we are going to fix this specimen. This specimen here at the holder. You can see here. I am going to fix this specimen here at the holder. The notch should be towards the striking end of the pendulum, and you have to check the level of a notch by using the notch blade. Okay, it should not be above the this surface or below that surface. Exactly, it should be there. I have fixed it properly, and you tighten it by using the Allen key. That's it. Now the specimen is fixed in a vertical direction, also you can call it as a cantilever position. Okay, after that we have to go to the scale. You have to measure the strength of the specimen by using this scale. The scale should be kept at a maximum, and this inner scale has to be used for ISO. You should not use it. It is for Charpy. One more test is there. This is there. When you are going to release the pendulum, this striker, this blade, I mean to say that this marker is going to rise like this, and it will stay at some place. This is the remaining portion is the strength of the material, not this. Okay, we are going to conduct the experiment live. You can observe it right now. Okay, sir, release ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿ sir. Just you can see this. I am going to release the pendulum. It is going to strike this height, and it is going to rise to the other side. This is called as an angle of fall, that is 89.42 degrees, and as it is going to come at the other side, that is called as an angle of rise. This is angle of fall, this is an angle of rise. Just I am going to release this. You have to be quite careful before doing this experiment with the presence of only instructor. You should not do it individually. Just I am going to release it. You can see that. The strength is 100, 110, 112, 114, 116. You note down, sir. 116. After breaking, The specimen will be like this. You can see. Specimen is completely broken. It is actually. You can see the specimen. I will show it has become two piece actually. You can see this. Completely it is broken. Nothing to worry. Okay. Please hug it.